Greetings from Lyckesand Nudist Beach in Öland, Sweden. There is nobody on the nudist beach right now. It was quite crowded earlier today, but now I don't see a single soul on the beach, this nudist beach. It's located very close to Lyckesand, the main beach, and it has both a public beach and a nudist one. So the public one ends at the rock that you have already seen in my video earlier from yesterday, when I was at the very beginning of the beach by the rock where the nudist beach starts, but there was nobody here as well then because it was cloudy. But now, because it's almost towards the end of the day, it is 7:30 p.m. and I don't see anyone on the beach as far as my eyes can see, but it's quite super nice nudist beach. It gives very much nudist beach vibes with the sand dunes. And the water looks amazing. There is not so much seaweed like there was at Lyckesand earlier today. And yes, I'm exploring the Baltic coast, and this is my second beach adventure from this beach, Lyckesand, Nudist Beach. So I really look forward to another beach adventure, this time with the sunny setting, because yesterday it was cloudy and a bit colder as well. So let's then check out the water. It is 18 degrees Celsius in the water, and in the air it is 19 degrees Celsius right now. It looks super nice. The sand is amazing, as you can see, and it's basically better beach than Lyckesand, if you ask me, because one, you can be nude as well, and two, there is not so many people here, and it's more beautiful nature all around. Yes, this is day 6 of my beach adventures that I'm showing you on my channel. There were quite many beach adventures today also, so I will have lots of work editing the videos for YouTube. So yes, it's so nice to enjoy on this nudist beach all alone as well. The water looks spectacular, so clean, pure sand inside, as you can see. So beautiful. Baltic Sea at its best, for sure. Yes, cool, then it's time for the swim. So come and join me in my swim on this nudist beach, Lyckesand in Öland. Let's go! Amazing, as usual, as always. Ah, beautiful. Beautiful indeed. Pure piece of nature. Alright, thank you so much for watching this episode from Lyckesand to Nudist Beach in Öland, and make sure to subscribe to get more those of beaches on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.